Technically speaking, it's the place to be.
It's the place to connect and collaborate. New to the industry and looking to build valuable relationships? Or are you an experienced pro who wants to leverage current connections and make new ones?
Join your peers online as the electronics industry converges. Schedule one-on-one meetings with exhibitors, attend a meet and greet with IPC Hall of Famers and emerging engineers, and participate in a competitive and fun virtual trivia game.
It's the place to learn. The IPC APEX EXPO 2021 education program will offer something for everyone, regardless of your career stage. During the virtual event and for 90 days after, you'll have access to live and on-demand content designed to address real challenges you face on the job.
It's the place to modernize. Accelerate and advance your company with Factory of the Future, the IPC Solutions program to lead, assist, and guide the electronics manufacturing industry through the next industrial revolution.
IPC APEX Expo 2021 will have everything you need to succeed. Technically speaking, we hope to virtually see you there.